These are the kit we are going to install with all the LED bulbs.
Okay.
And these two are going to connect with LED bulbs, and this connector is going to connect to the factory socket. The other one is going to connect to factory socket too. Okay, let's do it. First, unplug the plug from the bulb and plug into the kit. And one side LED connect to the LED bulb. So this is going to the passenger side, which since it's longer. So the other side, second bulb to the driver side for this one. And resistor, plug plate resistor is this is a connector we already taken off. So just plug it into LED resistor. And for this one, just leave it absent. So that's pretty much the installation. Before we sometimes the bulb may not light up. It's because for COB and CSP type, the bulb is polarity sensitive. So if it doesn't light up, what you need to do is flip the connector and reconnect it, so the bulb light up right now.